Title: The Adventures of Flutter, Squawk, and Sly. Once upon a time, in a lush green forest, there lived 3 friends: Flutter the butterfly, Squawk the parrot, and Sly the fox. They were an unlikely trio, but the best of friends. One sunny morning, Flutter fluttered her delicate wings as she danced from one flower to another, collecting sweet nectar. Squawk, with his colorful feathers shining in the sunlight, perched on a nearby branch, admiring Flutter's gracefulness. Squawk called out, "Hello, Flutter! How are you on this beautiful day?" Flutter replied with a gentle flutter of her wings, "Oh, Squawk! I'm splendid, enjoying the warmth of the sun and the beauty of these flowers." Just then, Sly the fox emerged from the bushes, his bushy tail swaying side to side. "Well, well, well, what do we have here?" Sly said, his eyes gleaming mischievously. Flutter and Squawk exchanged wary glances but welcomed Sly nonetheless. "Hello, Sly," Squawk greeted, trying to hide his unease. Sly grinned, "Hello, my fine feathered friend. And hello to you too, Flutter. What brings you both here on this fine day?"